This is downtown Colorado Springs, overlooking America the Beautiful Park, facing westward. Pretty popular park here in town, right in the center of things. Nice view of Pikes Peak in the mountains, I-25. As you can see, we have a high arid mountain desert environment, so very dry here. I believe this was taken during the summer of 2021. Now we're going to pan to downtown Colorado Springs. Very small downtown, but nice and quaint, very manageable. Here we're looking over a park near Briargate, John Venezia Community Park. Yes, great park, bunch of tennis courts, fields for playing any kind of sport you want, some hiking trails, I believe. A lot of community events and sports teams meet here. Now we're looking over Mount Cutler in North Cheyenne Canyon Park, obviously facing westward. Now it's going to pan and do a 360 here, and we're going to get a glimpse of Broadmoor Seven Falls. This is a great place to go hike. Dozens of trails, probably our golden gem of the city. As you can see down there is this Broadmoor Seven Falls. Hard to see, but you can make it out a little bit. Then we're going to pan further east and should see the Eastern Plains coming up soon. I believe that's Gold Camp Reservoir. You can see downtown Colorado Springs. That's Gold Camp Road there, that mountain road. It's a fun one to drive. Now we're looking over the paint mines in Calhan, Colorado. This is basically a series of eroded rocks in the middle of the eastern plains of Colorado. A lot of trails and just a really cool, unique spot to explore. Definitely recommend going at sunrise and sunset. And this is just another view. Much of eastern Colorado is pretty much what you're looking at right now, just very vast plains, a lot of ranches, and you really don't see anything. You don't see any mountains until you get to the outer city limits of Colorado Springs. So if you're coming from the east like I did, driving through Kansas, it's a little taste of what it will look like. now we're near the Rampart Reservoir Preserve. This is, I believe this is the back of Pikes Peak. Great area to fish, just explore, some hiking trails. Um, I really love this area. It's just amazing. And this is just the road going in to Rampart Res. A lot of Colorado is really just enjoying the journey to the destination. That old saying that uh, the journey is everything and is worth more than the destination. That's true in Colorado. Half of the fun is just getting to some of these places where you hike and fish and do all these outdoor stuff. That's kind of overlooking Woodland Park. You can't see it that well, but the town of Woodland Park is down there. Nice small mountain town. Some locally owned small restaurants and fly fishing stores and liquor stores and good barbecue place there. Again, this is a little closer to the back of Pikes Peak. As you go down that dirt road, there's kind of a pull off to the right and a big hill, and you just get this amazing view of Pikes Peak and some of the foothills into it. This is again in Woodland Park. We can do a pan here, and you can actually see Rampart Reservoir in the back there. So that's why people come up this way to go fishing there. Just gonna do another pan. This is Colorado Springs facing Pikes Peak from the Veteran Affairs building. Nice view of Garden of the Gods in the background. You can see a little bit of that. Just a cool area in this kind of going westward off Fillmore in Colorado Springs. And again, this is also taken from the Veterans Affairs. Panning from the east to the west, overlooking Fillmore there. Just couldn't get enough of this spot. As we continue to pan west, we're going to see Cheyenne Mountain in the background in a minute. That kind of curved mountain at a 45-degree angle. That's Cheyenne Mountain. Here, of course, is a little bit of Garden of the Gods. This is kind of the front as you're walking in. There's a trail that juts out to the right. Um, it's kind of a grassy area that just continues north. You can see the road up to Pikes Peak, that little jagged line on the mountain. Yeah, and just coming down from Garden of the Gods. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick little video of some of the drone footage I had in the archives. Hopefully, we'll get more going this spring and summer when the weather changes. Thanks for watching. Go to thewesternnomad.com. You'll see more content from me. You can read blog articles,